Look, I know math instructors are a special breed. Sometimes they're extremely persnickety, as I am too. One of my students called me math micromanager, and that was not a compliment. So look, what we're going to do is -4 minus -3. Man, teachers will not like this. Remember, we're going to do the double dagger method to get rid of two negative signs in a row. So like whoosh, whoosh, that will become -4 plus 3. Do another example. Let's do 3 minus -18. Again, the double dagger method. Whoosh, whoosh. That becomes 3 plus 18. Let's do another one, 14 minus -3. Remember, double dagger, whoosh, whoosh, that just becomes 14 plus 3. You might be asking yourself, okay, this smarty pants, he's not doing any with positive signs. So it's like, oh, guess what? I will do that. What if we had -4 minus +3? Guess what? Negative and a positive, when they collide, become a negative. So it's -4 minus 3. Ha, 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 ha. Didn't think I could do that, huh? Now watch. What if we had 3 minus +18? Guess what? When you have a negative and a positive sign, or a negative sign or a minus sign and a plus sign in a row, simplifies to a negative sign. So it's going to be 3 minus 18. Last example. Let's say we had 14. Let's make it more interesting. -14 plus -3. Guess what? Positive and negative simplifies to a negative or a minus. So it's going to be -14 minus 3. So just remember, most instructors will not like to see two signs in a row. Two negatives makes a positive, and then if a positive and a negative clash, or a plus and a minus clash, it becomes a negative.